Hi, everyone. In this video, we are going to take a look at one of the most requested features by our customers, and that is generating reports in a PDF version with the option to electronically sign those reports. As you know, before this new feature release, only the summer report had this option. Now, all the Reflections reports will be available in a PDF version with the option to electronically sign. Now, don't forget, if you don't have your electronic signature uploaded to your user profile and identifications, you won't be able to sign the reports. Let's jump ahead and look at the summary report to see what's changed. Now, the first screen, when you click on the summary report, in the past only showed the date selector and generate new report. Now it's all on one page. So this is new. Okay, so you have all your previously saved reports with your date selector. Let's go ahead and look at February of 2022. You know that all reports and reflections are available for any desired date range. And let's generate the report. This is similar to what you saw before. You need to name and save the report. So save to export. You'll get your time range breakdown. But now you'll see a new button, export and save. And then, of course, this is new, a pop-up. The pop-up defaults with the signature of the person signed in, again, if their electronic signature has been uploaded. The title is displayed, and all the reports are checked for the default. Let's go ahead and add some optional comments that will show up on the report and uncheck the reports we are not interested in generating, and save and export. And now we are brought back to the report list page. Another difference with this new feature is that the reports are going to be available within the app with links. Now, that's different from before, where the reports were emailed to you. So you get a message telling you that it may take a few minutes to generate the reports and that you should refresh the page. We'll go ahead and refresh. And while we're waiting, I'd like to just mention a question that I'm sure you're all thinking about. What about our previously generated reports and saved reports? Okay, so here's an example. August 19, I generated this report in October of 2019. Now the report would have been emailed, and maybe you saved it locally and you're not interested in generating it again. But if you click generate documents, this is a clickable link, you will then go through the same exercise that I just showed you, and you'll be able to have the links displayed here. It's important to note that the person that previously signed the report, their signature will display. So if somebody else signed it back in 2019, you will see their signature, not my signature. In this example, it's me, but I just want to make you aware. I'm going to click refresh one more time, and then we will go and search for the February 2022 report that I just generated. Now we can sort by columns, but I'm going to go ahead and search. Okay, 2 out of the 3 reports are now available. Let's click on the first one, Summary PDF. And when I open it now, you can see a few differences. So the signature and the dates and the title and the comments are now all displayed at the top of the report instead of at the bottom of the report. So that's new. And then the other thing that's new is there are two dates. In the past, it was only date stamped if it was electronically signed. That's what review date meant. Now you have a report generated date. So let's say, for example, you're not signing the report, but you just want to generate it. You will still get that date stamp. Okay, so that's new. Let's close this and look at the corrective actions. Now, this was also available in PDF, but no electronic signature. So now if we pull up that report, you can see the same information that was on the summary report is now displayed here. So you have that signature, the review date, and the report generated, and then any comments. I'm going to go ahead and refresh one more time, and hopefully that Excel supporting data report will be available. There are a couple of differences with that report that I wanted to show. So yes, it's available. So let's click on it and then open it up. Okay, your first sheet in Excel, your cover sheet, now has the date signed and date generated, and then the comments that were previously entered are displayed. So that's new. And if we dive into the individual instrument type sheets, let's look at my small box incubator instrument type. Now the min and the max tolerance ranges that were set by the lab are displayed. Again, this is new, and this is something that a lot of you have asked for, so I'm excited to tell you that it's now available. All right, let's close up the Excel report and go ahead and look at the fluctuation in detail report. Now, the report itself and the way you generate it is exactly the same, but as we know, this report was not available in PDF, and so many people have asked for this. So let's go ahead and choose February again. Run the report, it looks similar, but now you have an export as PDF button, similar to what we saw before. You get the pop-up with the default is an electronic signature of that person who's logged in, and you can see the graphs or graphs and raw data on that PDF. So it's your choice. Okay, you can name the report. And let's do both. So we'll say save and export. Now, these report links are not going to be displayed within the app. These reports will be emailed to you, okay? If you don't remember, you'll get a message here telling you that. So while we're waiting for that report to be emailed, I'm going to go ahead and show you one more report, the comparison report. Again, the report is generated the same way as before, so we're not going to go through that exercise, but I want to show you how to get that PDF. So let's choose a previously created report. The report will display, and again, you see that export as PDF button. You click on it, you see that pop up. The default, of course, is the signature of the person logged in, and with the option of not having that signature. And then those are comments that I previously have entered. Save and export. This report is again emailed to my user email. All right, let's go check our email now and see if those reports are there. Okay, you can see the fluctuation in detail report, the information that I showed you from the other reports with the dates and the electronic signature and the comments are at the top of the report. But now you see the graphs and the raw data. And now if we take a look at the comparison report, again, those same details that we just discussed are displayed at the top of the report. and all the information is now available in a PDF. So no more print screens and printing out reports. It's now all available in a nice formatted PDF. All the other reports that are available in Reflections also have this export as PDF button. So we really don't need to go through that. You'll just see that when you click on those reports. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. And if you have any additional questions, you can email us at info@reflections.net. Bye for now.